One way we Manaaki, or support you, in your recovery is by helping you return to work safely. Recovering at work can help you get better sooner and support your mental well-being. With some temporary changes, most people with non-complex injuries like sprains or strains can safely recover while working. If you can return to work in your business at reduced hours or suitable duties, you can still receive some weekly compensation. This helps you stay connected and maintain routine as you ease back into work. And it also means you could earn up to 100% of your usual income instead of 80% from weekly compensation alone. When you start earning again, your weekly compensation will change. We'll adjust your payments so your total income isn't more than what you'd normally earn. This adjustment is called abatement. It keeps things fair and reduces the risk of overpayment. Log any hours worked in MyACC or give us a call. You'll need a secondary tax code if you're earning and receiving weekly compensation, so have a chat with Inland Revenue. Let's look at an example of how we estimate and adjust your weekly compensation when you start working while recovering from injury. First, we estimate your average weekly earnings and hourly rate. If you earn $65,000, this is divided by 52 to get your average weekly earnings of $1,250. Your estimated hourly rate, based on a 40-hour work week, would be $31.25. Then, we calculate your payments based on the hours you work each week. In this example, let's say you work 28 hours a week. This gives you earnings of $875 based on your estimated hourly rate. We adjust the ACC payment through abatement to $375. After tax and deductions, your payment might be around $300. Payments continue while your medical certificate shows you're unfit for work or fit for selected work. You'll need to send these to us regularly and can do this easily in MyACC. Payments will stop when you're able to return to the job you were doing before your injury or your health provider says you're able to. We'll let you know if payments stop for any other reasons. Here's the key thing to remember. Once you file your tax return, we'll reassess your payments. We'll compare the payments based on your estimated earnings against the reassessed amount. If the weekly compensation paid to you is higher than the reassessed amount, you've been overpaid, and we will ask you pay the difference. If you've been underpaid, we'll pay you the difference. Contact us if you're unsure. We're here to help. Here's a summary of what we've covered. Thanks for watching. For more details on weekly compensation for self-employed, visit our website, haerera.co.nz.